Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A1 Sport Sportback finished in a Utopia blue. The car's got the daytime running lights with the lower front fog lights, and as we move down to the side of the vehicle we have the 16-inch 5-arm design alloy wheels. Moving to the rear we have the 5 doors, making this compact car very convenient, with the rear parking sensors and also the twin polished chrome exhaust. This is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the electronic folding exterior mirrors with the black cloth front sport seats, the 3-spoke leather multifunctional sport steering wheel with the light and rain sensors which include the automatic headlights and wipers, Audi's MMI display with DAB radio and a 6-speed manual gearbox. If you'd like any more information on this Audi A1, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.